Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create and register passkeys for secure sign-in GovDash. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up passkeys to make your sign-in process safer and more convenient. Passkeys can be created on a variety of devices, but we'll cover the most basic options in this guide. Start by navigating to the Passkeys section in your Settings menu. Here, you'll click the Add Passkey button to begin. You'll be prompted to enter a device name. Choose something memorable so you can easily identify it later. Once you've added the device name, Windows will provide you with options for saving your passkey, like Windows Hello or a security key. Follow the prompts to create your passkey, and when finished, your new passkey will display in the list, confirming it's been created. If you're using Chrome, click Add Passkey, provide a name for your passkey, and choose from the same list of options to create your passkey. If you'd like to save it to Chrome using Google Password Manager, click Cancel from the first prompt and choose Google Password Manager from the follow-up prompt. Next, you'll click the button to save your passkey. You'll then confirm the creation in the dialog that appears, ensuring your new passkey is securely stored. After confirmation, GovDash displays a notification to let you know your passkey was saved successfully. If you're using Safari on a Mac computer or any browser on a Mac, select Add Passkey, provide your device a name, and after clicking Continue, you'll be prompted to authenticate and save your passkey to your Apple passwords. You can choose from other options here to access additional options for saving your passkey. Once confirmed, your passkey will be saved in the list. To sign in with your new passkey, enter your email address on the sign-in page and select Sign in with Passkey. You'll then be prompted to enter your passkey. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and register passkeys, giving you a more secure and streamlined way to sign into GovDash.